Good weight. Look how high we are. Oh my god. Yeah. Look, did you see? Oh, that's where we... Oh, that's on the way to the market, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, yeah.
Give me your phone, babe.
Look at the sea.
Mm. Stay right here.
And we are on top.
Top of the world. So haggard, no.
On top of the world.
Come here. Why you always show your teeth?
Okay, I won't. Come on.
You hold the camera.
Here's another
One more now.
another view. Whoa, whoa, hey, be careful. So we just came up here, we took some pictures. If you come up here, I do recommend bringing at least one bottle of water, because I can promise you you're gonna need it. The workout is real. There goes my little monkey right there. From here you can see the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I think they said there's 14 or 13 crosses around. Every cross has an image in it, so it's pretty cool if you're into religious things.
Babe, come here, son.
What do you think, babe? You like it? You have fun?
Stay right there. Stand up.
Like this?
Oh, do like that. One, two, three. One more.
Look at your eyes. So cute. That one's so beautiful. Take a picture like that. Look, with this one, we could take a picture too. The circle. This one. Yeah, like that. Look. Like that. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh. 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 Oh my ass. That one's so beautiful. Take a picture like that. Look, with this one, we could take a picture too. The circle. This one. Yeah, like that. Look. Like that. Be on top of the world. All I see is my babe and like a bag of pearls. Take a picture like that. Look, with this one, we could take a picture too. The circle. This one. Yeah, like that. Look. Like that. Alright, y'all. We are heading down to beautiful mountain.
Hello, wait.
Careful now. There's also a cave in
Please
case you need
like,
somewhere to
share,
stay.
and subscribe. Thank you.